We're on the Camino de Santiago, the pilgrimage trail. It's a beautiful day here. You see the geography is just amazing all around us. We're surrounded by the Pyrenees mountains. Lots of these trail sections that are like tunnels going through heavy tree growth. It's just beautiful. This is part of the 500-mile Camino de Santiago. Oh, here comes a bike rider. Oh, lots of people use this trail for recreation. And there's a little lookout right there.
What's that?
It's taking a 30-minute video.
And on we go.